Hey, what's up? Jigzer here. By setting your TikTok account to private, you are able to control and limit what users will be able to access when they visit your profile content. In this video, I will show you how to make your TikTok account private in a few simple steps. Let's go. To get started, open TikTok on your device and tap the profile icon at the bottom to open your profile dashboard. Click the three-line menu in the top right corner. Tap Settings and Privacy. Go to the Privacy configuration window. Under Discoverability, simply toggle the private account switch to activate the feature. Once your account turns private, your liking history, follower list, and videos are automatically hidden from people who don't follow you. That's it. If I could help you, feel free to give this video a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe. Leave a comment down below if you have any questions. See you next time. Bye.